there is a problem. So student, I stopped previous live session and I started newly here. So just confirm me anyone from all of you. Is there any problem or are you facing same problem which you was facing previously? Any problem? Any kids, boys and girls? Okay, fine. So now beta, just do these questions here. Jai Sri Sam student. Jai Sri Sham. So beta, everyone here will go through this. Okay, fine. God bless you for confirmation, kids. Now, student, just what's the questions here? Here, just simply have to mark. Okay. God bless you for confirmation. Students, just answer me here if you understood what is the physical quantity and derived quantity. Kids, write your idea in the chat box. But options 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which one belongs to? Which one belongs to student? Derived quantity and which one is a fundamental quantity, bacha, right? So students, I can simply say, uh, okay, Parichit beta, hello, how are you? So now students, you can say here, force belongs to what, my kids? Force belongs to, tell me, this is derived quantity. Mass student, this is fundamental quantity, right? Force, acceleration, speed. Then what is next, Parichit? Repeat, sir. Okay. Students, I'm telling you, if you understood, as I explained, there is a following quantity in these all. You have to comment which one belongs to uh, fundamental quantity and which one belongs to derived quantity, right, my kids? So there is a force here. So as I explained here also, force belongs to, my dear, that is a derived quantity. Mass student, fundamental quantity. Acceleration again, my dear, acceleration again, my kids, this is belongs to derived quantity. Speed students, as I explained here, distance upon speed, students, derived quantity, right, my kids? Current water student, as I said, there are 7 fundamental quantity, my dear. So you can say current also belongs to what? Fundamental quantity, my beta. Now, students, what is amount of substance here? As I said, there are 7 fundamental quantity. So amount of substance is one from them. So again, you can say, student, amount of substance also belongs to fundamental quantity. Amount of substance also belongs to, my dear, fundamental quantity. Okay, force, speed. You correct, beta, Parishit, beta. Very good, nice. Be active here in life, bacha, then you can learn many things. Now, students, which I'm going to teach here, Pan India Open Challenge. No one teaching either in live class, means physical class, as well as YouTube. You will not get in anywhere. Openly, I'm telling you. Students, I'm openly telling you, students, which I'm going to teach you. You will not get in live class as well as anywhere on YouTube except physics point. So stay tuned here only, bacha. That is what, my dear student. This is known as supplementary quantity. This is what, kids? Supplementary. This is what? Supplementary quantity. Student, supplementary quantity are which are defined for two purpose, right? Which are, this is the first one, students, which is no beta defined for plane angle. What, my kids? Supplementary quantity defined for two things. So what is the first, students? This is known as plane angle, which is two-dimensional, this is what, my kids, defined only for two-dimensional. Now, students, supplementary quantity are also defined for what, kids? Solid angle. This is what? Solid angle. So this is defined beta only for solid angle for three-dimensional object, plane angle and solid angle. Very good. And everyone just show your interest here. Like one kid joined Parishit D2H. I don't know. It's my one kid is in my classroom. Those Parishit or another Parishit, but I can say Parishit is very active in the live session. Yes, as I'm looking. Very good boy. Be maintain your, I can say, motivation, kids. Now, kids, I'm going to explaining, my dear, one by one, beta the plane angle as well as solid angle, right? Beta few theory points are maybe you feel bored, but beta you must know here. It's highly required, my dear. Right, beta. So students, first I'm going to discuss this is what beta. This is what kids plane angle. This is what kids plane angle. Okay, as I said, my dear, plane angle defined only for two-dimensional body, right, beta? Okay, let us suppose students, I'm considering here any arc. Beta, this is arc, or you can say beta for more attraction here, for more interest for you. This is what pizza. This is what my kids, you can say this is what pizza. So here students, you can take as a consideration r is the radius of arc. R is a radius of arc, my dear. You can say this is what theta. And this part you can say beta, this is arc length. This is what my kids arc length. So now students, what is the formula here? I hope all of you remember formula of tan theta. Tan theta is what? Perpendicular by base. So here beta, this theta you can write here means plane angle is equals to theta is equals to, my dear everyone, arc length arc length upon radius. Right, but a more interesting point here. We remember every boys and girls here only. But what is the unit? SI unit of arc length? Which is meter? Length unit here. All of you remember all of everyone. Radius unit here also you can write. This is what meter. So what you can say, bacha? This is a question of J already asked. My dear, this is a question already J asked. So please keep in your mind here. Beta, just give me example of those quantity with to give me example of those quantity uh means those quantity which don't have a what dimension but has a unit. Yes, this is the first example. Beta, this is a dimensionless quantity. This is what, my dear, dimensionless quantity. Radian. You correct beta, Parichit. Very good beta. God bless you, bacha. So you can tell, my dear, this is SI unit. SI unit of plane angle. SI unit of plane angle, which is what, students? Radian. Which is what, my dear? This is what you can say radian. Okay, fine, very good. Now, students, I'm going to explaining that is what my kids solid solid angle. This is defined only for 3D. Beta, little, I'll just give your basics idea so that you can easily understand. I hope you are everyone used to eat ice cream right now, and I can say popcorn. So, beta, popcorn and ice cream here till now everyone ate. I am pretty sure everyone ate ice cream and I can say popcorn. But till now, we didn't recognize is there physics? Yes, my dear, there is physics here. How students you can tell like that? Beta, this is what you can say basically are ice cream, kulfi, or we are calling kulfi, right? So this is what, my dear. Uh, okay, torch, bulb. Now, students, you can say this is the condition beta. You can tell here, this is what cap of this ice cream, right, my dear? So, this one question here I wanted to ask to everyone, kids, those watching me currently. My dear, tell me, everyone, what is the SI unit of resistance? Every kids tell me, what is the unit of resistance? Every boys and girls, those watching me, please answer me. SI unit of resistance. SI unit of resistance. Okay. Parchit, yes, Hari ki Sahare. Yes, correct here, both of you, beta. Correct here, perfect answer. Ohm. So, bacha, same here, you can write representation of solid angle is what, my kids? This is what? Ohms. Representation of solid angle, my kids. What you can say? This is what remains ohm. So you can tell, sir, here you said definition means mathematical formula of plane angle. So what is the same formula? I wanted to ask for solid angle, right, my dear? So here you can say, beta ji, for solid angle, this is what, beta? Area of, beta, this is area of cap upon a students. This is, you can say, my dear, R is a radius. Area of cap upon Vitaji radius whole square. Right. So now tell me, everyone, what is the SI unit of area? What is the SI unit of area? What is the SI? Its unit is steradian. Perfect, yeah. Perfect, my dear. Very good. God bless you, bacha. I asked there, what is the SI unit of area? Anyone from all of you? That is what? Meter square. That is what? Meter square. Okay. And what is the SI unit of radius? This is remains, you can say, meter square. So ultimately, again, you can say, bacha, SI unit of area is meter square. Okay, there are two candidates. Very good. Correct, bacha, buddy. Both of you are, God bless you. My dear, again, you can say, this is what? Dimensionless quantity. This is dimensionless quantity, but has a unit. So, my dear, what is the SI unit of solid angle? SI unit of solid angle is stay radian. Is what? Stay radian. Correct, student. Meter square. There are three candidate answer. Very good. I'm very happy to share. All of you look like active till night 11 o'clock. Now, students, so successfully are I completed fundamental quantity, detailed study are derived as well as supplementary. Supplementary will not get anywhere except physics one. Keep in your mind. It's a core, hardcore truth. It's a hardcore truth. Okay. Now, students, I'm going to discuss here next points. That is what, my dear. That is what, my dear, units. That is what, my dear, units. Okay. So students, first year, put the heading every kids, units, right? So we are going to learn, my dear, that is what? Units. Anyone from all of you, can you tell me, share your idea about units? Anyone from all of you, can you share your idea about unit? Anyone? Okay. But it's very common thing here. Anything which you are measuring and which you measured any physical quantity quantified by measurement. True. But after measurement, student, we have to attach suitable unit. My dear, again I'm repeating here. Student, I'm repeating. I'll not write, make notes. It's highly required. Units of physical quantity is quantified by measurement. Quantified by measurement, comma, a physical quantity quantified by measurement, comma, after measurement of any measured physical quantity. I'm repeating, you can write after measurement, of any measured physical quantity, after measurement of any measured physical quantity, is sorry, physical quantity attached suitable unit. Don't forget, we do underline what I said here under unit. Attached attached suitable unit. This is beta, I can say a very good point which you can keep in your mind. In units definition, attached suitable unit. Again, student, I'll tell you basic idea. Right. What are students? I'll tell for this condition here. Beta, as an example, students, if you want to measure a piece of cloth, my dear student, you want to measure a piece of cloth, right? Students, if you want to measure a piece of cloth, then which unit you will refer to measure length of cloth? Meter, centimeter, or kilometer? Which unit you will refer to measure length of cloth? Anyone from all of you answer me? Anyone from all of you answer me? Anyone from all of you answer me? Any kids? Okay. So beta, I'm telling you, meter you can use. Meter students, not meter centimeter beta. Usually beta you can use centimeter as well. This is your choice. But my dear kids, 99.99 cases, beta, we have to use meter. So now onwards, keep in your mind to measure length of cloth. We'll prefer to suitable unit. Keep in your mind. That is what, my dear, tell me, meter. Okay, next example, my kids. Just answer me here in the chat box only. But I know during morning time, yeah, milkman used to come our house to deliver the milk. So, beta, what is the unit they will use or they are using or they use generally? My dear, liter or kiloliter? Everyone, liter or kiloliter? Anyone from all of you? Liter or kiloliter? Anyone from all of you? Liter or kiloliter? Correct, yeah. That is what you can say liter. So this is my kids' literal meaning of units. This is my kids' literal meaning of units, right? Okay, my dear. Now, yeah, I'm going to explaining more detail about units. Kids, I can say for units, beta, there is a you can say types of units. This is first student, which I'll explain here nicely. FPS. Next student, tell me, this is CGS. Next student, this is MKS. And last, my dear, that is SI. What you can say? Last one is SI. Okay, now beta, tell me everyone, boys and girls, what is the meaning of F? Anyone from all of you? What is the meaning of F? What is the meaning of F? F what implies? F implies foot. F implies foot. Now tell me, what is the application of foot? What is the application of foot? So we can say to measure length. Foot application to measure length. Foot application to measure length. Foot applications to measure length. Now tell me, what is P? What is P? Tell me everyone. P for pound. P for pound. Pound is what? Pound help us to measure mass. Keep in your mind, if we will understand if we will understand here this one, literally you will enjoy bacha coming dimensional formula. If you will not, then you will not able to solve any easy question also. Right? Correct student, pound. So this is pound will help us to measure mass. This is what mass. Next beta, S is what implies here? S is what my kids seconds. S is what my kids seconds. Beta, this one also seconds here, this one also seconds, this one also seconds. You can say are like mango shake, banana shake, and one is mixed shakes, right? Okay. Now, students, after this year, I can say that is what SI. What is SI here? I'll tell these two also, but first I'm telling you SI. SI is what my kids system of international. This is what my kids system of international. This is what my kids system of international, right? Now tell me everyone, what implies here? C implies centimeter. C implies centimeter. Will help you to measure length. Will help you to measure length. G, what implies a student? G for gram. G for gram. And gram help us to measure. Tell me mass. Gram help us to measure mass. S beta what? This is the seconds. Now tell me everyone, what is M? M implies this is mass. And K implies this is kilogram. And S what implies? Seconds. S what implies? Seconds. Now, students, just make one table here. This table will help you to understand, my dear, entire, or will help you to do the question based on dimensional formula. So we must remember this table here. It's highly, highly, highly required, my kids. So what's the table here? Have a look, every boys and girls. Yes, beta. So this is what you can say quantity. Next, students, CGS unit. Next, FPS. Next, MKS. And last, kids, SI. Last, my dear, that is what? SI. Okay. So, beta, first you can write beta ji everyone here only. First, here, one more column. Yes, beta. So, this is the first one. Quantity. First, what student? Quantity. Then, students, this is CGS unit. Next, student. Sorry, extremely my bad. My bad, beta. This is FPS here. This is what, beta ji? FPS. Next, my dear, CGS. Then, beta ji, FKS. And last, my kids, that is system of international. That is what, my kids? System of international. Right? Okay. You can ask, sir, why this all? Why not only FPS? My kids, necessity is mother of invention. My kids, necessity is mother of inventions. But I can say initially, necessity of the human fulfilled by FPS. But time to time, there is a requirement, you can say, updated by the human. So beta, they wanted to measure some different quantity. Due to this year, I can say they upgraded here, I can see unit as well. FPS beta first one, then CGS, then MKS, then what? SI. This is a question here, but you are not asking in live session. So I'm telling this is a question asked by kids in the classroom. Now my kids, I can say quantity here. This is first one. So you can say this is mass. Next, length. Third beta ji, time. Everyone write in chat box here with me so that you can be active here because it's night time 11:10. Mass, length, time, students, temperature, then beta electric current, then beta ji luminous intensity are in short LOI, and last my kids amount of substance. Right, my dear? Here, beta, I'll write here. I can say individually all the things one by one, my kids. That is what, beta? First, tell me, everyone, what is the mass FPS unit? That is what, my dear? Pound. So you can write here. This is what? Pound. What is the CGS unit of mass? Write, student, in chat box here. You will enjoy the class. You will learn, my kids. This is what you can say gram. You can say gram. Okay, MKS beta, what is the mass unit here? That is kilogram. Yes, beta, write more in live session. Learn more and earn more, my dear. So this is kilogram. This is kilogram. Last students, that is remains same beta. There is no change. This is remains, my dear, kilogram. Right? Beta, what my kids? Kilogram. Next year length. What is length beta in FPS? Already I said here. So you can say this is what foot. This is what my kids foot. Now, what is the length CGS unit? That is what, my dear, everyone write in chat box. Centimeter. Right. Next question, what is the MKS unit here? You can say this is what? Meter. Last student, SI unit also, my kids, meter only. Right, beta? Okay, time here, as I said here, banana shake, mango shake, papaya shake only here. Right. So beta, all form of unit, that is what beta time. You can write, my dear, this is what? Second. Okay. Temperature, tell me. What is the FPS unit of temperature? Anyone from all of you, those watching me currently? Anyone from all of you, those watching me currently, can you tell me, please, what is the temperature FPS unit? 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 Everyone from all of you. What is the temperature FPS unit? Anyone from all of you? Okay, no idea, sir. Okay, okay. Maybe you are in 11th class now. 11th class, literally, no idea. I'm telling, my dear. Beta for temperature, my kids, there is no FPS unit, there is no CGS unit, there is MKS, my dear, which is Kelvin. Same beta SI also. This is what? Kelvin. Right, my dear? What about electric current? Again, my dear, there is no FPS unit of electric current. CGS is there, yes, biot. But you are learning at physics point only. You will not get anywhere CGS unit of current, only at physics point. So stay tuned, stay happy, learn entire physics bindas. Okay, now student, this is biochar. What is the MKS unit, my dear? This is ampere. This is ampere. And what about SIR? Right. So SI beta as usual, you can say, my dear, ampere. This is what? Ampere. Right, beta? Okay, next year. Again, this is what? LOI. My dear, there is no FPS, there is no CCS, there is no MKS. So F LOI beta only SI, which is Candela, which is Candela. Okay, amount of substance beta remains same here. There is no FPS, there is no CGS, there is no MKS, right? So there is what, my kids? You can say mole. This is what you can say mole. So we remember, boys and girls, these all are basic points, right? Yeah, it's too late here, so I'm not going to just continue this live session more. Tomorrow, beta, timing here, I'll see what is the comfortable time for 11th class, either 7 o'clock or 10 o'clock. Usually, beta, now in thumbnail today, I updated that is what my kids 10 o'clock every day. But once tomorrow, I'll talk to kids here and ask what is the timing in which time you will comfortable. Kids, 7 o'clock in the evening or 10 o'clock. According to students, review students, tomorrow I'll arrange your live session. God bless you all. Till now, stay in live session of physics fine. Now, my kids, I'm going to stop your live session. Bye bye.